Welcome to this introduction to the wider potential of blockchain. Blockchain was invented as the underlying technology to power Bitcoin. Blockchain's decentralized peer-to-peer ledger system means third parties are not necessary to verify ownership records and facilitate secure transactions. The cryptography used in blockchain, combined with the multiple copies of the ledger held on the network, make it a very secure as well as efficient system. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies have never been hacked, and it is almost impossible to hack a blockchain. When you hear about cryptocurrency hacks, this relates to exchanges and wallets being hacked and cryptocurrencies stolen, not the blockchains themselves being corrupted. Their security provides the immutability and accuracy of records and transactions required for a viable digital currency like Bitcoin. But this also means blockchain can be used for many other applications. Smart contracts like the Ethereum and Neo platforms are one utility of blockchain. Payment clearance and settlement systems like the Ripple blockchain platform is another use of blockchain, and many banks are working on their own blockchain platforms. Stock markets will soon operate on blockchain, with the Australian Securities Exchange soon to replace its legacy clearance and settlement system with a blockchain replacement. Public records are considered one of the most valuable potential applications of blockchain. Property records being incorruptible has particularly powerful implications in the developing world, where corruption has historically meant the property rights of individual citizens can be fragile. Blockchain systems helping prevent corruption in the developing world could empower one of the greatest steps forward in modern economic history. The opportunities provided by blockchain really could make a huge impact on global development over the next decade, both by improving efficiency and minimizing waste and corruption.